strokes it into the gap for a single. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Missed that completely. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, what a shot that is. He picked the bones out of that and just nailed it down the ground for 4. Pacer introduced from the other end.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That is a very quick single taken. Slips in place.
Straight up in the air, and that's a 6.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
Oh, that must have really hurt.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman. Loud appeal there by the fielding side, and yes, he's out. Batsman having a chat with his partner for the DRS review, and they decide against it. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That was good bowling and a sharp catch. He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles.
Oh, hat-trick! That is a great bowling performance.
Oh, that's close. It's a huge appeal. That is a very good shout and they're going to review it.
Checking for a no ball. Fair delivery. No problem. Reaching outside. Impact in line. Wickets hitting. You can stay with your decision. You're on screen now.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They are calling for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
There is a fielder at extra cover.
Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. Singles and doubles would not be enough at this stage.
Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. They would definitely have a score in their minds.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
That has made some serious damage. Here is a fielder at the extra cover. That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Last ball of the innings coming up. Has he got in there? That's a loud appeal by the keeper, and the umpire says not out.